from Saginaw though.
So when did you start making music?
My music for real, recording and shit was probably like maybe a year or a year and a half ago or something. But shit, music really came to us from like in band class, all type of shit growing up and shit like that. Shit, that shit just carried on for real.
So what instruments can you play besides rapping?
I be on the little piano. Like I don't know like no songs, but you know what I'm saying. I can like I'll make some beats once I know how to put that shit down. The drums. I was learning the sax, but that's when I started like, man, fuck this shit. I got in the streets and all that type of shit.
So why did you start taking music serious?
For real, it was like an outlet, something to really vent to when time was wasn't listening. It just started I just started putting it on paper and shit. Then I just started like, fuck it, I'm gonna get it out there. Somebody might need that shit, relate off that shit.
So what was the first song you ever released?
Damn. Let me see. It's on my SoundCloud. Oh, what was that song with Sensei that screwed me over?
And then what's your most recent release to compare the growth?
Oh, that I don't like those. That bitch went stupid. That bitch doing numbers as we speak.
So if you had to put someone onto your music if they haven't heard it before, what song would you choose out of your whole catalog?
It had to be I don't like those for sure. It give you a mixed vibe of everything like rap and hip hop, pop, like all type of shit mixed. So it'll draw everybody in.
So what are your goals with music and just life in general?
Just to make it away from my people for real.
If you could work with any artist and any producer on one song, who would you grab for the song?
Like on some high level shit.
Any artist, dead or alive, any producer, dead or alive.
Shit, I have to say like probably Lil Wayne for real. Probably Lil Wayne.
And
That's
then,
what I really listen to.
And then who'd you have produce the song?
Yeah. Zaytoven.
So do you have any hidden talents?
I do little shit like drawing and shit, writing and shit, little sports shit, little bit, all that dude shit type of.
So do you have any shows coming up?
Oh yeah, the Project Zero that come up on September 10th. It started at like the time it started like 1 p.m. to like 2 in the morning or something. It's an all-day event. Gonna have like 2 big artists there and 50 local artists or something like that. $20 ticket. Come to that bitch.
So how was childhood? How was life growing up?
Shit, everything was there for real. I was I just turned to the black sheep for real. I don't know. It was straight though. Everything was beautiful.
So who was your influences like with music starting out?
For real, I say my cousin GT, he was rapping all day, like in the basement on YouTube beats and shit, just freestyling all day. And that shit we would start going to the studio with Jake and shit when he was on Court Street. He and Enzo and Raynham. Yeah, we was in that bitch since then. It was another studio like in the Crossings or something. At YSL Twin crib.
So do you have any music coming out soon?
Yeah, I'm finna be dropping mad shit. I got a lot of shit. I'll be procrastinating a little bit for real.
So what should we be looking out for?
Shit, it's a lot in store for real. It's gonna get deeper than music, but it's a lot to rant on, but that shit finna go crazy.
So
the fam, the brand dropping soon. Got some merch and shit.
So let's talk more about like from the fam. Like, what does that come from? Like, what does that mean to you?
From the
your
fam,
movement?
for real, it's like I say it's like more like a loyalty thing. Like it ain't really shit. The fam part though, for me, forever about money. It came from like with my people back in the day and shit. Just like my little branch or something.
So, if you could perform anywhere in the world, where would it be?
God damn. Shit, the Super Bowls. For real.
So, who do you listen to on a daily basis? Like, who are some of like your favorite artists?
I'll be listening to GT, RJR, Gates, Young Boy, shit, Trippie Redd, Juice WRLD, all type of mother. I listen to a whole bunch of shit. No limits to it.
So, describe your style of music.
My shit, it's like wavy. I say it's wavy, catchy, just a vibe for real. Some people they can relate to like all the shit. I just be rap about what's going on when I'm just be me when I'm rapping.
So, what sets you apart from every other artist out? What makes Junior different?
I say my versatility, my way of being more open and shit, like being myself and shit. That shit go along with that.
So, if you didn't find music, what would you be doing?
I'm gonna get into business. Either way, like that's my main goal. Business, filming, filmmaking. Just kind of like my music ain't even really the number one.
So, we're gonna get into some more personal questions. So, if you could give advice to yourself from like 2 years ago, what would it be?
Give myself some advice about 2 years ago. What was that? 2019. Shit. Start fucking with myself more than I was fucking with everybody type shit. I ain't deserve it. There's a lot of, there's been a lot of hits and shit over the years, but it's straight. Like, it's like, I took my shit, do the same thing, shit, I do it all over again.
So, advice for anyone starting music, getting into the music industry, what would that be after some experience under your belt now?
When you get in that bitch, for real, so you gotta look at all points of it. You gotta know what you want to, like, you want to do that shit for fun or promote that shit, blah, blah, blah. That's one side. Then you gotta know, like, you gotta find what you want to talk about, type shit. You ain't gotta pick one topic for all the songs, but, like I'm saying, like, you gotta know your flow, your style, find your voice, and be, comfortable in that bitch, like you just on the song already.
So, what are your goals for 1 year? Like, where do you see yourself in 1 year?
God damn. I feel like I'm gonna have a lot of like technical business shit going on, like busy than a motherfucker or something. I wanna get back in the motherfucking school, like Delta, go to some couple classes, maybe like 2-year programs, like some little meet some people and all that shit.
And then, at the same time, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I own a corporation for real. We got a lot of 5 years. A lot can happen in 5 years for real. I think everything be falling. Everything will get it together and shit. Puzzle's gonna fall right.
So, what's your biggest dream for the music? Like,
hear my shit getting played even after I leave this bitch or something, you know what I'm saying? When it's my time, that shit still be rocking or some type of shit.
so, if you could give life advice for the viewers, what would that be? Just general advice.
Shit, stay humble. Everything happen for a reason. Don't let nothing knock you off your square. Just fuck it. I just say fuck it. Keep on going to the next thing.
So, do you have like a life philosophy, like something you live by?
Like type shit. I've been trying to get it. Like I ain't deep or crazy into it like some people or nothing, but I've been trying to get on the spiritual type shit, like fucking with the chakras and all that, like
Connecting with yourself.
Yeah, like basically connecting with yourself, connecting with the world around you, like appreciating life. Fuck all the bullshit.
So, where's your favorite place to eat in Saginaw?
Probably like, say, probably Hokkaido's or something over there by Walmart and shit, State Street.
So, what do you do in your free time?
Shit, I be on the like playing the 5 and shit. Like playing Battlefield, motherfucking 2K, Fortnite, all type of shit. In the stew. Shit, I got like to-do list for real type shit. I make to-do lists like shit I need to be done. So I just try to knock that shit out. Knock that shit off the list.
So, what's your favorite video game? What was that growing up?
Oh, growing up? What you mean?
Like, what was your favorite video
Oh,
game?
growing up. Shit. There was a lot of shit that was cold, though. I used to fuck with, like true crime back in the day. That shit was called. GTA always been called. NBA Street. Them bitches used to be called NFL Street. All them little, like sports street versions was called. Skate 3 and 4. Them bitches used to be called. It was a lot of little shit. I used to jump around and shit. Shooting games, shit. Call of Duty was alright. So I start fucking with Battlefield.
So, what are your favorite clothing brands? Like, describe your style. Like, how do you dress?
Shit, for real, I ain't got no particular. I can tell you no favorite or nothing. Shit, I just shit, put some shit together real quick type shit. I ain't really too picky or nothing, but I'm trying to get my shit together at the same time. Step up.
So, like, what's your favorite movie of all time?
Probably the Planet of the Apes or something, or Avatar. The movie that the bitch is called.
So, who's your top 5 out the city?
Oh yeah, obviously I fuck with Spence from the Green, because the Trenches, they be going crazy. I see them as a group, you know what I'm saying? Everybody we fucking with. My nigga Sam and his people, Peace Down, a little Indigo group. They coming up with I had a couple of Fiji called people too. I be rapping my dog No Lie. He could. That's fun. Somebody really rapping. Sorry, Tay-Ro. He be going crazy. Free him though.
So, who's your top 5 all time?
The rappers would be, I say GT out of Detroit. Juice WRLD, motherfucking, I don't know, it was Kevin Gates, he could, if he would talk. Chief Keef for sure. And, Future for sure,
So, as we kind of begin to wrap this up, where can we find your music?
You can get me on SoundCloud. That's where I'm posting it right now. Right now I'm trying to get visuals and shit together. They're gonna be on YouTube. But for right now, the music on SoundCloud. JuniorFrmTheFam. I'm gonna drop some more music on there. But I got a lot of shit coming.
So, shout outs.
Shout out my dog No Lag. Shout out Kato. Shout out Sam Tish. Shit, shout out everybody I fuck with, shout out everybody involved. Like, shit, I can do it alone. Shout out, shit, everybody that fuck with the shit, you know what I'm saying?
So, before we wrap up, any closing statements? Anything to get off your chest?
No, not for real, no. Except like, shit, just stay humble, keep on going, keep fucking with my shit, though. I show love back. We'll work out though. More shit to come, a lot to come.
Yeah. Feel like Paul Walker, I just crashed another whip. Drizo 2 times, I just bagged another bitch. Hate to send me auto, so I had to grab the switch. I'm addicted to the quality, man. My uncle get a